Okay, today we're going to learn 3 formulas, or revisit because you learned these last year, to find the area of 3 different kinds of polygons. The first kind is a parallelogram, and we're going to do the base times the height. And the height is always the perpendicular length or segment connecting the 2 bases. So on this one, length times width is 8 times 8, right? Base times height. So this would be 64 meters squared. On the second one, base times height, 20 times 5 is 100 centimeters squared. Whenever it's area, you write the unit squared. On this next one, the base of this parallelogram is 5. The height, is it 6 or is it 4? It is 4, because that's the perpendicular segment that's connecting the bases. 5 times 4 is 20 inches squared. And then this next one is 12. Oh, and you know what? I forgot a unit. We'll make that 11. It's 10 across. The base is 10. The height is 11. 10 times 11 is 110 millimeters squared. Right? Because this 12 is not the height. It's not perpendicular, so it's not the straight up and down height. And then we're going to talk about area of a triangle, which is just the base times the height, and then you divide it by 2. So on this one, the base of our triangle is 10.6. The height of my triangle is 8.4, and then we're going to divide it by 2. 10.6 times 8.4 divided by 2. I think we're rounding to the 10th place, so it's going to be 44.5 miles squared. On this middle triangle, the base, remember this is the triangle. Okay, this is just giving us some numbers, but that's not the actual triangle. So the base is 7. The height is 12. That's why that's here. It's showing us that that's the perpendicular segment from the very top to the very bottom. So 7 times 12 divided by 2. 7